Hey friends, I've got a beautiful banjo to show you today. This is a full-size 4-string banjo, and the customer wanted it tuned CGDA, which is one of the traditional tenor banjo tunings, but not with steel strings. So we have 2 fluorocarbon strings and 2 wound classical guitar strings as my set for it, and it's just lovely. So this is a curly walnut and pistachio instrument. The walnut's from here in Hood River, and the pistachio is from California. Some really nice stuff. Turned out great. And I like using pistachio chunks for the trim here because they all look completely different, and it's really fun. And the fretboard is pistachio as well. So this is, curly maple block rim with a little brass tone ring at the top, synthetic head. He's got the armrest on here too, which is nice. And I usually don't play in fifths or any of these fifths tunings, but one thing that's interesting about it is it's very sweet, but it is loud when I really get going with it, enough to clip the camera out. So it's really fun. Yeah, so it's cool. It's like loud but rich and sweet. I'm really pleased with it, and I'd do more of them like this if somebody asked. Oh, this is some beautiful hardware from Brooks Maston in Portland, including this little beautiful cast tailpiece. Okay, so that is number 652. Cheers.